Welcome to Which Came First? Can you guess which thing came first? Some are easy and some are super tricky. Ready? Let's start. Which came first? Popcorn or chips? I choose popcorn. Which came first? Soccer or tennis? I choose soccer. Which came first? Shower or bath? I choose bath. Which came first? Helicopter or rocket? I choose rocket. Which came first? Cake or chocolate? I choose chocolate. Which came first? TV or video games? I choose video games. Which came first? Dinosaurs or dragons? I choose dragons. Which came first? Hot chocolate or milkshake? I choose milkshake. Which came first? Pasta or noodles? I choose noodles. Which came first? Sharks or dolphins? I choose dolphins. Which came first? Math or English? I choose English. Which came first? School or vacation? I choose vacation. Which came first? Dog or rabbit? I choose dog. Which came first? Cookies or candy? I choose cookies. Which came first? Train or airplane? I choose airplane. Which came first? Laptop or phone? I choose phone. Which came first? Orange or mango? I choose mango. Which came first? The sun or the moon? I choose the moon. Which came first? Burger or sandwich? I choose burger. Which came first? Rabbit or hamster? I choose rabbit. Which came first? Gold or silver? I choose gold. Which came first? Swimming or running? I choose swimming. Which came first? Cake or ice cream? I choose ice cream. Which came first? Pencil or pen? I choose pen. Which came first? Spider-Man or Batman? I choose Spider-Man. Which came first? Apple juice or orange juice? I choose orange juice. Which came first? Lion or tiger? I choose tiger. Which came first? Milk or juice? I choose juice. Which came first? Fries or nuggets? I choose fries. Which came first, TikTok or YouTube? I choose YouTube. Which came first, rain or snow? I choose snow. Which came first, the wheel or the bicycle? I choose the wheel. Which came first, the egg or the chicken? I choose the egg. Which came first, paper or scissors? I choose scissors. Which came first, car or bike? I choose car. Which came first, cake or donut? I choose donut. Which came first, Coke or juice? I choose juice. Which came first, chicken or fish? I choose chicken. Which came first, morning or night? I choose night. Which came first, red or blue? I choose blue. Which came first, books or movies? I choose movies. Which came first, pancakes or waffles? I choose waffles. Which came first, beach or mountains? I choose beach. Which came first, tea or coffee? I choose coffee. Which came first, football or basketball? I choose football. Which came first, chocolate or ice cream? I choose ice cream. Which came first, summer or winter? I choose winter. Which came first, cats or dogs? I choose dogs. Which came first, pizza or burger? I choose pizza. Which came first, apples or bananas? I choose apples. Please subscribe and click the bell icon.